The 304E series tool from MARSON comes complete with collet case, jaws, jaw pushers, spring, 2 wrenches, oil, and nose pieces. A versatile tool, the 304E is designed to pull a broad range of standard blind rivets. To disassemble, first remove the frame head casing with a wrench. Then use 2 wrenches, one on the collet case and the other behind the collet case on the flats, to remove the collet case. To create a new jaws assembly, place the jaws in the collet case, using your finger to hold them in place. Then tighten the collet case with the wrench. Using the wrench, loosen the nose piece, replace it, and tighten. Replace the collet and tighten. Under the frame head, find the switch and turn it on. Attach the hose, making sure the air supply is reaching the tool. Using an Allen wrench, remove the plug. Remove the oil cap. Then screw on the filler bottle. Run the cycle to ensure there is an adequate amount of oil. Remove the bottle and replace the cap. Screw it down tightly with the Allen wrench. Your MARSON 304E is now ready for operation.